What's the secret for a good teamwork?
Teamwork. Secret for the teamwork, you have to play for the team. You have to be sincere and honest in performing to any team. Staff members of this college is a team. He is the captain. Principal is the captain. So you have to play for the captain. Not for the captain, for the institution. We. No?
Do you think the same thing, whatever you have told, is still prevailing in the Indian team? Team 1983 and team 2014, what's the difference? Is there any honesty? Is there any motive to play? Is there only motive to play, or is there any motive to earn?
That's a good question you have raised. Yes, for sure. I don't know about the intentions of the Indian team right now because I am far away from them. I don't know what they speak. I don't know what the team meeting takes place. I don't know what they talk about, whether they should honor the country or whether they should play for money. I don't know. I'm not too sure about it. If I'm not too sure about it, I don't have the right to comment also, which the media does. Isn't it? They don't know what's going on, but they print. They give wrong headlines, confuse the mind of the people. Right? The team spirit, the secret of any team winning is the togetherness of the team. There should not be any ego problems, which is the problem globally. Ego, I am on the power chair. Whatever I say, I may be wrong, but I'll say I'm right. That is ego. Power chair, money power, both put together is the biggest problem in the whole world, more so in our country. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಪವರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು, ಹೋಗ ಯಾನೇನು ಆ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಸೇ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ. So that is ego. You're not bothered about the rest of your colleagues just because you're in power. You put down your own colleagues. That's ego. ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಎತ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಆಚೆ. This is everywhere. This is everywhere. So, the team spirit is when a team is successful, when a college, when a school is successful, which brings name, that means the staff members along with the captain principal is hand in glove and doing a great job. That is team spirit. Now, we won the World Cup. We never bothered who the captain was. Our mind was to bring name to our country, to keep the Indian flag flying high. It is the talent and the ability of an individual which will take him up, right? Just the talent and the skill is not sufficient. On torsbekadu, he should be the outstanding amongst the rest. He cannot be ignored. That is what I was. I was the outstanding sports person in my team, in my group, with consistency. So they could not ignore me. There were ups and downs in everybody's walk of life. Ellar life nalli you have ups and downs. Alva, you cannot be performing. Dhoni has not won all the matches. He has won all the 3 formats, all right. But he has lost also. So that is downhill. Virat Kohli is not in good form in the IPL. So that bad form has to come for you to learn, right? By falling only you will learn how to get up, Alva sir. If you don't fall, how will you get up, Alva? So it is due to the negatives that you learn the positives, right? So on those basis, anybody talented from here, from Katpadi, from Mangalore, from Udupi, from wherever, if he is talented, if he performs with consistency, he will automatically climb the ladder of success. Giving up habit irbardu, yochnane madbeku, negative thinking should not be there at all. If you have not been selected this year, next year I will do better than what I have done this year should be the attitude. It's not only for the students, sir, it is for one and all. Businessnally, doctors, engineers, you name anybody, any discipline of life, down barle barbeku. Every businessman cannot be successful all the time. Downfall will be there for him to learn, so that he gets brilliant ideas how to improve his business. Doctor might sometimes give a wrong prescription by mistake, or he gives the right prescription but the patient takes the wrong medicine. Does not matter. So on those basis, he will immediately correct himself. Right, this medicine is not helping, I must give him a better medicine. So new thoughts come in for better prospects, better health. Alva sir? Atara, talent and skills and hard work can never go waste. You have to be persistent, you have to be fighting it out. The disappointment barle bardu. Performance the best I was, still I am not selected. Anta tilkobardu. Students, cricketers, fight it out, don't give up. That is now the cue. Okay? Was that okay, sir? What I answered? You are convinced?
Perfect.
Please.
When you went on the match field, what feelings came in your mind?
Right from your age, I was on the field. So namge abhyasa agbittide. So there was no feeling of any nervousness or anything as such. Because right from your age, I was playing those matches and performing to the best of my ability, not knowing where I am heading. Nam kalnalli yar irlilla hedakke namge ke nim hatra valle talent ide, valle skill ide, you can play for the country anta or state anta yar helilla namge, yar kelilla namge. Bari natural gifted ability ittu nam hatra. And to touch that, any international level, whoever reaches international level, not only in cricket, not only in sports, in any field of life, maybe an engineer, doctor, corporate chairman or whoever, businessman, whatever, he is always born. When I say born, he is born with that gifted ability and talent, which is being honed and recognized. Yeah? So I did not feel anything. I got used to it right from your age. Used to the school, entire school coming and watching the school tournaments. All the cheering from the school when you do well. So, yen nervous feeling yen irlilla, and should not have also. Okay, you should never feel nervous. I'm playing my first match, what will happen? If you do like that, you're out, half out in the pavilion itself. ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, ಬಾಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಆ ಥರ ಆ್ಯಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೋ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್, ನೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಏನಪ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ ಫೇಲ್ ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಇವನು you have heard of, you hear him every day, I think, in the IPL expert comments. Who? Sardarji, what's his name? Sidhu. ಅವನು ಸಿದ್ದು ಡೆಬ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಹಮದಾಬಾದ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಜಾಗನಲ್ಲಿ. Yerde innings against West Indies, Sonne. What a debut. How he should feel. Test match nalli, both the innings 0. He came back. Because he knew his strength. He was positive in his mind. Huh? He said, I will not give up. So what? My debut, both the innings 0. Team aache tagan bittarella. In your match, if you score 2 zeros, next match you are not playing. So they don't look into your talent, they don't look into your skill, why you have failed, what happened, nothing. But nevertheless, so you should not feel nervous. Huh? Good.
When you were keeping for India, was there any competition for you, like any other keeper, to stay in the Indian team?
My dear friend, competition is always there in any walk of life. Everywhere. You will have competition in your class, you will have competition in KRS, you will have competition in every team. So you have to be a healthy competitor. You have to be a healthy competitor. When I say healthy competitor, you should not be jealous of your friend who is playing better than you. You should not talk ill about him. And if you are the captain of a team, if there is a better player than you must appreciate him and not take him out of your team. So, on those basis, you are a healthy competitor. You should respect one another. If he is playing good, try and learn something from him. Why he is playing good? Why he is consistent? So that way you must always think. You must be a good, healthy competitor. Okay, today he is better than me, tomorrow I'll be better than him. Anta tilkobeku.
Yes.
You have to be number 1 in your group. If you are number 1 in your group, don't look down upon your friends. Okay, encourage them. Talk to the secrets of being good. Pass it on to your friend. Why am I talking to you all? Tell me. I could have told Uday Kumar, sorry yaar, I don't have time, you have informed me, why should I talk to the students? That is ego, if I had said that. That is thinking too much of myself. No. So you have to be a healthy competitor everywhere. So you should respect your friends, guide them if you can. If you have the good habits with you, pass it on, like what I am doing to you. I am doing to all of you. I am talking to you all and sharing my experiences with all of you. Why? Because I am a friend of all. Those who don't share, they are not friends. Those who don't care, they are not your friends. And let me also tell you that amongst your 4 good friends, you think out of them 2 are not your good friends. They are jealous of you. That is my experience. And it is global. Out of those 4 good friends who you think, there are 2 fellows who are against you, who will take tails from this side to that side to put you down. That is the general phenomena. Globally. Not only here in our country. Okay? Did I answer your question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Competition is always there. Now, one more thing I must convey through him to all of you. I was the best. Not boasting about myself.
Yes.
There was nobody anywhere near me when they removed me from the Indian team. Every domestic season, I was performing better than the rest of the wicketkeepers of my time. Nobody was near me at all. I was at the peak of my career when I was removed from the Indian team. So, even if you're doing your best, you're not considered, you're not selected. So that should not deter your spirit. That should not disappoint you. I have no regrets. Let me also tell you that I don't have regrets in my life. I'm very happy, very content to what the Almighty Lord has bestowed upon me and given me. It's better to have one genuine friend than so many outward friends.
Yes.
You have to take life as it comes. So enjoy yourself.
Yes, sir.
And all the best to all you students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.